Hi, welcome to Dad Skills.
Oh boy, we're here doing it again.
This is the show where my dad, a handy boomer,
I'm screwing this up, really. Figuratively.
teaches me, a helpless millennial,
Oh.
how to do things.
And they're installed.
Wow. This actually says do it herself. Ladies prefer 6 inches apparently.
If you're concerned about your hand going into it at all, use a big stick.
Wow, that's crazy.
And the old saying is, can't do it, get a bigger hammer.
What?
See if my old arms can do this anymore.
Always make sure to lubricate your nuts.
Yes, if you have them.
Like that?
That's it.
Do you just go until you don't hear that?
No. First your mask, then your eyeglasses, then your earmuffs, and a hat if you like wearing hats.
It was pretty scary, but...
Well, it should be scary.
And you
Okay.
need about, judging by your house, 50 of them?
Remember, poor people can't afford to buy cheap.
All right, well, let's get to work.
Let's do it.
Thanks, Dad.